Join Adam here, and today, yeah, Ken! We'll see. Oh, here we go. We're gonna join. Die! Ah! Stop it! I'll win! You're right, you will not win. You don't know that!
I do.
Not for sure.
I do know for sure.
Alright, come out. Oh! One more! I'm aiming for that.
You can't come over my side.
Oh! Butter. Joyce on 6 darts. Let's go.
Alright. My fastest.
First up, fastball. Oh! That was so close. But second one, 2-seamer. Oh, triple. No, it's not.
It's a triple seven.
I got right into 9 and dead center. Come on, Joel. Oh,
That was my fast.
hold on. Oh, not quite.
Oh.
I believe in you.
Oh! I got a triple 17 twice.
But now my turn. I can have a turn. Just take it out. Oh, we just
Is this still filming?
Yeah, I just filmed it. Cause I just cut it. You just stabbed me.
Use the like tail.
These are hard.
Like this. Like twist first.
I was going to use the ultra ones.
The ultra ones?
Or
Or the
here.
ones in here. Where were these?
Let's show these. Our best darts. But we can't use them because they'll break in like one hit.
We have some insane darts, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
I have an electric dartboard at my house.
It's not that good.
It's fun.
Not better than this.
Because you, because you can't throw as fast as you want on it.
Yeah, it just like stays. Nah. Look at that. Oh, give me 3. Alright guys, now it's for my turn. What? Who's getting the base? Oh,
There,
you hit the bag.
You hit the
I'll
bag.
go off and get the phone.
You hit the bag.
I did.
Why did you there?
No!
Actually try to hit the board.
But
No, try.
I was
Try
trying.
to hit the bullseye. Oh no. I was aggressive.
Oh, I need that more. No, that doesn't count. Come on, bruh.
Fine.
At least you got them all on the board. Look at mine.
You got all.
Last shot, guys. My voice.
You got all but. Oh, that was pretty.
That was pretty fast. I want to see the footage on that. If we only got that footage. What? I never started it. Guys, the craziest thing just happened. So me and Julian were just playing darts until I shot, and then it hit my Nerf elbow. It went right through.
The plastic.
Yeah, it went right through it. Just hold it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get it out. It's plastic, so it's like. No, it's a real bow and arrow.
No, Adam. Stop.
Come here.
Adam.
Alright, come here. I'll show you do this. Right there. Oh, I cracked it.
Oh my god.
Did you guys see that? Is it right there?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Jeez. That's crazy.
That's crazy, man. I don't know how it happened. Baby, come back.
I just heard the doorbell.
What?
I just heard the doorbell.
That was
This?
Oh. Move.
Oh. Alright. Let's show YouTube.
Hey, oh, I'm so close.
It's so close to hitting the juice. Juice.
This is YouTube. Come with me, guys. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh, what's really in there?
Is it in the crack? Let's get it from a different angle.
How did I miss that? Oh, bullets. Where's all the... Where'd you put them?
Right here.
Where?
From a different view. You're eventually gonna hit the juice box and it's gonna go everywhere. Did you just hit it?
Here it is.
Oh, you need to show YouTube what you can do. Work it. Come on, Ann.
It's already dripping.
It's already
I bet it's just
dripping?
I bet it's just gonna hit it and like not do anything.
No, it's gonna fall over.
Uh-oh, there goes my seat.
Oh!
What's the damage to that? I'm seeing that anymore. What hit that? Did absolutely nothing.
Yeah. Let's see. It's all wet.
Sick. Let's get it one more time.
Suck. You suck.
These are highly trained guards. Me versus the
Juice box!
How does that work?
What did you do?
I didn't see this in video.
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
You film from there,
dun,
I'll
dun, dun.
Yeah, you film from there and I'll just go, God, it's in the fan.
It is? How did it get in the fan?
So you film from there and I'll shoot from there.
I need to sit in the seat if I can. Oh! You went so fast, the thing fell off.
Just go pat this
What? You,
Two more bolts, guys.
you mean darts? Oh! Oh! I got that! Hey guys, we're back again next day. As you know us, the Nerf Strikers. Today, Adam's gonna do some target practice on the dartboard.
Let's rev it up!
Shoot!
I'm shooting 3. Oh, it's at full power.
2, 1.
That's a done.
What's happening? It's jam.
Oh, that's oh. Oh, I missed that shot. I don't want no hate in chat for that. Cut. Bart. Too much bullshit for them.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
We put it like max field.
but I can only hold like 30.
Wow.
It's just about 40, but I can only hold 40.
Firing. 3, No, look in the
Barrel? There's no barrel. Look how much bullets we're throwing out. Is there one on the factory?
I don't know. Probably does.
Elite bullets do not go that far with us.
They're supposed to. They come with that. Oh, on the board.
This is like a mind of its own, Jules.
Does.
I swear it's gonna move that.
Oh! It landed on the ledge.
I'm out.
It landed
Just
on
like that, guys. We got
the
40
ledge.
bullets.
On the ledge.
Oh, that's like hard to do too. Look at it.
The darts.
How about we just do zombie strike? Because these don't go that far.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Did this come with that?
No, that came with my vortex. It's a disc shooter.
Oh, I hate those.
No, they're actually pretty good.
Yeah, I like actual drift bullets. As you guys just saw, I hit it. It made a big gaping hole in it. Just look.
Ah, it's spraying on my shoe.
I love physics.
It's not physics.
Okay. Oh, wait, right. There's even a hole.
Double-sided.
So now you and your friends can drink from each side.
Boy. Savage.
See you later. If you like down below, leave a comment. Love you guys.